valedictorian from prep level will give her valedictory remarks. Let us give a big round of applause to Stephanie Pangilinan.
About 3 years ago, as I remember, the very first day of school, as a nursery student, I was unprepared because everything is a whole new experience for me. Kuya Bard and Dante is a warmly welcomed us, but I began to cry loud when I let go of my mommy's hand. I felt so scared. We stayed outside for about an hour long as my mommy tried to console and stop me from crying. Soon enough, I got the courage to walk inside Teacher Marlene's morning class. To cut the story short, the most wonderful and unforgettable experiences I had being a student happened here at St. Mary's Academy. Today, this very moment is a special day for all of us. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to thank and congratulate each and every one of us. Let us give thanks to the Lord Almighty, for He is the source of our wisdom and knowledge, mostly for the blessings we have been receiving from Him. To our parents, thank you for the love and support that you showed us, not to mention the perseverance in teaching us the value of education. I thank my family, my daddy and my mommy, my sister Sophia, and my little brother Nigo for their unconditional love and encouragement. You are all my inspiration. To our dear teachers, most especially to my nursery teacher, Teacher Marlene, and my kinder prep teacher, Teacher Lynn, our never-ending gratitude for their outstanding guidance and effort to bring out the best in all of us. To my friends, classmates, and fellow students, thank you for the wonderful memories and friendship we have shared. Now as we end one chapter in our lives and enter into a new and more challenging world, let us all face it with courage, for we know that we are all achievers and winners in our own little way. Let us congratulate ourselves for a job well done. To our dear Miss Nened and Mr. Christian Reyes, thank you for being dedicated and compassionate. Because of